It's a matter of life or death for industry. We're going to have to get the level of expertise up, and the only way we can do that is investing in the younger people.
My name is Blair Haverstraw. I'm a welding process specialist, and I started here back in 2012. My regional manager, Flint, brought it up to me, why don't you go get your CWI?
If you've met Blair, you'll realize it was a pretty easy decision. It became very clear to us that we need to utilize him as best we can and give him avenues of advancement.
Me having the CWI, it's really given me the skills and the knowledge to make myself better and smarter within this industry.
It gives us a level of expertise that we can discuss with confidence with the customer.
Because we have that inside knowledge, we can really help them progress. And the more knowledge we all have, the better the industry will be.
And frankly, if Blair or whomever we might put through this process decides that their passion lays somewhere outside of central welding supply, that's okay too. The industry needs people like that. I think it's a win-win. It really is.